Hello guys, welcome to Poppy's Vlogs guys. Nandito ngayon tayo sa Shu Long Quan restaurant guys. It's a newest restaurant here in Edmonton guys. As you can see guys, masyadong oriental ang ating lugar guys. You can see a lot of Chinese lanterns and the ambience guys. It's just very oriental, very Asian guys. And yung nakikita nyo dyan, it's actually located at West Edmonton Mall guys, yung golf area nila. So ngayon guys, nandito lang tayo, naghihintay kasi gutom na tayo guys. And of course, our waitress, she's explaining what to order and how to order. And we're pretty excited guys because this is actually the second place that we're going to try the hot pot. Yung isang hot pot namin, we try it the southern part of Edmonton or south part of Edmonton, and then now is in West End area or West Edmonton Mall guys. As you can see, we got the vegetables, the noodles, and we also got sausages for the soup. And masarap po mag-soup kasi malamig po ang panahon. And my son is also excited to eat this kind of food kasi nga may riches sa soup, and he really wants this food to be soft. So guys, gutom na si Mrs., gutom na si sister-in-law. And of course guys, gutom na rin ako. May mga bread din dyan na mainit pa, and parang mayroong siyang condensed milk na saan mo i-dip yung bread. So we had it when we went to Calgary the last time. Ayan yung yellow dyan na bread, napakasarap guys. So yung sister-in-law ko, she's putting all the ingredients needed sa soup natin guys. At we make sure na boiling talaga yung soup kasi na pagka sa malamig na panahon gaya ngayon na nag-i-snow na dito sa Canada, masarap pa rin talaga guys kung mag-soup tayo. So ayan, mikos-mekos muna natin yan guys, minekos-mekos ni Mrs. at mag-picture taking muna tayo habang naghihintay sa ating soup guys. And then ito na nga yung ating ilang photos na tinake natin bago tayo kumain guys. Si Mrs. ang sarap ng kain, si Christine masarap, ang anak ko masarap ang kain, sulit na sulit guys. And I would say it's not that expensive guys, but I would say it's worth it naman kumain sa ganitong restaurant guys. So check out po sa West Edmonton Mall itong newest restaurant, and the name is Shu Long Quan. Okay, bye.